Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your debit card details on Amazon. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up any kind of your browser and search for Amazon and simply log in with your account. After opening Amazon, you will be able to see this type of page on your screen. Select the hamburger menu from the upper left corner and select your account at the top of the list. A new list will be open at the right side of the screen. Here select see all next to your account. Whole list of all settings will open up in front of you. Scroll down to the payment section and locate your payment. Inside it, select the debit card you want to delete details of and tap on Edit. Now scroll down and select Remove from Wallet. After selecting it, a confirmation message will show up. Simply select Remove and you're done. That's how you can delete your debit card details on Amazon. And that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.